Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. You're the real MVP. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make my egusi soup. There's different method to make egusi soup, but this is my favorite. So here are my ingredients. I have my egusi, I have my ugu, I have pepper, I have my salted meat, I have iru, I have crayfish, I have smoked fish, palm oil, I have dried fish, my seasoning cube, I have salt, and I have some meat stock. Guys, if you like to see how I make this egusi soup, please keep watching. So guys, I'm going to blend the egusi with just a little water to give me a very thick consistency. So I'm going to add my blended pepper in the pot and I'll cover and let it cook. In another pot, I'll add my palm oil and heat it up for a bit. I'm going to add my egusi to the palm oil and just fry. And guys, don't forget to keep stirring your egusi so it doesn't get burnt. So I'm going to add the crayfish and the dry fish, and also I'll add the iru, and just let everything cook together. So I'm going to check the egusi to make sure it doesn't get burnt. Just stir occasionally. Now I'm adding seasoning cube and salt, and I'm just going to cover and let it keep cooking. Now I'm going to add the meat. I have goat meat, shaki, pomo, and smoked turkey. I'm just going to let that cook. So now I'm going to transfer the egusi into our stew base, and I'm just going to mix everything together. I'm gonna go ahead and add my smoked mackerel fish, and this is going to give it that smoky flavor. This soup has so much stuff in it that everywhere you turn to, you will jam something. Isha, oh my god. I want to know in the comment section, what would you like to eat this with? Would you like eba, pounded yam, amala? Yeah, don't be surprised, some people eat with amala. Yes, just let me know. Now I'm adding my ugu, and guys, pretty much I'm done. So guys, this is how I make my egusi soup. This soup is very flavorful, it's very rich, as you can see. Don't you feel like clicking your screen? I know. So guys, thank you so much. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do me a favor to subscribe, like, leave a comment down in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. I love you all. Bye.